I want to show you how to multiply any two numbers. So in this example, I'm going to show you how to do 347 times 25. First thing is, write out your 347 times 25 like this, with the units and the tens and everything else lined up neatly, and then you can start multiplying. So I'm going to do 5 times 347 first, and the way you do it is you do it in parts like this. 5 times 7 is 35. Now since you're only allowed to have one number per column, when I write 5 times 7, which is 35, you write the 5 there and write the little 3 there. That little 3 is being carried to the next column. Then I do 5 times 4, which is 20. Then I add that 3, that little 3 that was carried to this column. So 20 plus 3 is just 23. So you put a big 3 now, and a little 2 there for 23. That little 2 and the big 3 together make 23. So that little 2 is being carried to the next column. So now you do 5 times 3, which is 15, plus the little 2, which makes 17. So you write a big 7 and a tiny 1 there. So that makes 17. And since there's nothing else to multiply in this row over here with the 5, you just make that little 1 a big 1. Now I'm going to do 2 times all of this number. Now this 2 isn't really just a 2, it's actually a 20, because this is 25, right? So this 2 represents 20. So we don't want to just do 2 times everything. We want to make it bigger than that. We're going to put a 0 first, so that when you do 2 times everything, the answer goes there, and it makes the answer 10 times bigger just by putting a 0 there. So basically it becomes just like doing 20 times everything. Hopefully that makes sense to you. So in short, all you have to do is just put a 0 there and then start doing 2 times everything. So 2 times 7 is 14. So you put a 4 there and a little 1. And then you do 2 times 4, which is 8, plus the little 1, which is 9. Then 2 times 3, which is 6. So basically you've done 5 times all of this, which went in this row, and then 2 times this number 347, well 20 times really, 347, which gave you this answer here. And since you did it in 2 parts, you have to bring the 2 parts together by adding them, which will give you the final answer. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 4 is 7, 7 plus 9 is 16, so you write 6, carry the little 1 there, and then 1 plus 6 plus the 1 that was carried makes 8. So basically 347 times 25 is 8,675.